Hey, look. He's still the hero.
Yeah, the bums didn't even melt down his statue for scrap. Now that's respect.
Cole Train? Shit, it is you! Wow, Cole, what are you doing back here?
Man, you look just like I remembered. Hey, you finally coming back home or something?
Hey, kid, keep it away forever, baby. Just checking everything's the way I left it, more or less.
Want to have a beer with us? We brew some good stuff.
Thanks, but I'll pass. Still on duty. We're looking for supplies, though. Anything you want to trade?
Better ask the boss. We can take you to see her.
I hear she might not be a fan.
She'll listen to you. You're the Cole Train. Woo-woo!
Yo, the Cole Train don't go woo-woo. It's woo!
Brandon! You're inside! The sharks are coming up inside the stadium!
Get down! Find some cover! Come on, we're upstairs. Barrett, Sam, take the ground floor. Dibs!
Watch your ass, man!
Woohoo! We got the high ground, son!
Come on, move! I got a clear shot!
Bitches, I'm taking this shit personally! You understand? Going deep for the long ball, baby!
I need ammo!
He's gonna spit!
Fire in the hole!
All right, let's go see if the boss lady's in a good mood.
Yeah, you're right about the smells lingering forever. Whew.
let anyone else have that ball? Take your day off.
I tell you, man, this is our team. Get out of the way.
There's a giant stalk on the field! Get the ball!
Yeah, your punk ass messed up my sacred turf. Yeah, I'm about to clean some shit up these motherfuckers. Whoa! Stop this man.
Are you okay, Cole?
Ah! The train still got the moves, baby! Now, that was a move I first used against the Eagles in the national finals. Of course, them bitches didn't explode.
Yeah, you still got it. Now let's go sweet talk the Queen of the Bums.
Sovereign to all KR units off ship. We are under heavy lambent attack. The ship has been boarded and we require support. I say again, we are under attack and require immediate assistance.
Damn it. Well, that changes our dinner plans.
Call to KR-70. Time to get us back to the ship.
KR-70 here. That's a negative, Cole. Got some serious lambent shit on board Sovereign. Stand by.
Roger that. Okay, let's see if the boss lady can get us back to the ship some other way.
Oh well, nice while it lasted.
Oh, shit!
Hey, this is all your fault. Those things left us alone until the cog showed up.
Ma'am, our ship was in trouble and we're trying to get back fast. You got any transport we can borrow?
Oh, here are the keys to my luxury yacht. Look, Cog, you're on your own. Get out while you can. Come on, move it! Get downstairs and open the rear gates! We've got people to evacuate!
Barrett, we gotta reach the bridge. The Sovereign's gonna pass underneath it.
All right. Yeah, maybe take over those gun turrets, or just rappel down when the ship's below us.
Ma'am, is the cable car to the bridge still working?
Yeah, but here's some free advice. Forget the bridge. They're stranded over there that you really don't want to mess with.
Yeah, we'll take our chances. We gotta get back on our ship.
Fine, get yourself killed. No skin off my back.
Hey, Cole, they seem to know a way out.
So do I. This way.
You know, maybe we should have gone the back route after all.
Come on, we're almost on the roof.